Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone, and to my followers and my viewers. I hope you are all well. Anyway, what I'm talking today is a tom yum soup. So I got all the ingredients for my recipes and also hoping it goes well. And stay tuned for my channel for more videos. And thank you guys for watching, and thank you for subscribing me, my channel, and I subscribe your channel too. And don't forget to click the bell button for more notifications when I download my new videos. And stay tuned for watching more videos. And God bless, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all. I love you. God bless. Bye. It's ready to go. It's ready. 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Perfect. Only 20 seconds. Just to simmer and then ready to serve. Hi guys, and this is my tom yum soup, and it's very tasty and easy to make, and also it's more affordable in your budget, and must try this dish. Absolutely delicious. Sa sauce pa lang, labi na kaayo, as in makaan ni rice cube. And also, this is healthy foods because seafoods, mushroom, coconut, and also that is prawn and muscle. I need more rice. Let's eat, mga kalangga. Let's eat. After cooking today, this is my tom yum soup. Very delicious. Happy home, happy life. Simply lang, contentment. Happy tummy, happy life. Life is good. So enjoy eating, guys. Thank you for people who subscribe me, and to those people who's not subscribed yet, I hope you don't mind to subscribe me. And stay tuned my channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. Bye. in daghan kay ko rice. Munang ligid mo niwang daghan kay rice. Maka-only rice man good ang food. Kay lami kaayo. Paano? Me and my husband, guys, this is our lunch. So we really enjoyed it. As you can see, it's nearly gone. But anyway, in my video, I didn't show you about the chilies, which is for me, is this tom yum soup what I made today. I didn't put any chilies on it because the spicy of the ginger and also the lemongrass paste and also this one black pepper. It's give me more spicy already, but it's up to you guys. If you want more, the soup is more spicy, then you can add on more chilies, either 5 pieces of chilies, red chilies or green chilies, and that's it really. And enjoy the food, and I'm sure you will be happy and very pleased once you try. So thank you for watching.